What's happening, everybody? Be kind of a all over the place video here. So I might as well kick started off here. 6,000 BTU, AE, superb shape. Let me walk around here. Toss this one in. Never realized these are actually meant to be shiny. Look how nice this badge is. That doesn't say how long this unit sat in the beautiful, relatively rundown, but beautiful Victorian house. I pulled both of these and these out of Sunday. What the hell happened here? But I mean, look how nice the paint is. 1000 BTU, 220 volt. This one came off the second floor of said house, so that was a real treat getting it down a flight of stairs. This one, this GE, was first floor, back door, so it was literally strapped it to the dolly and one little set of steps, next little set of steps, boom, out to the truck. Well, I don't want them, but I wasn't letting them get scrapped. And a Oasis dehumidifier. So, and hey, it was on the side of the house. Why not? I did try it just now. Fan works. As soon as the compressor attempts to start, breaker trips. So it's actually a decent cord. It's freaking 100 feet long now. So either it don't like this cord or something's going on with the LG. Garbage, but hey, you know what? If I can make it work again relatively cheap, pretty up a little bit, $200, so I can't complain. So anywho's, yeah, window kit with good side pieces. That's something there to boot. So I've never tried this. And I can actually hear the motor going like this, what it sounds like. Tons of air, nothing. So, without further ado, man, sounds good. In this garage is probably close to 95 degrees, so it's plenty warm enough. Oh yeah. Data tag while we're here. So I don't know why I've always liked these. I like changing my units out each year, right? I really want to use my carrier silhouette. Trouble is, I need a dedicated line, which now that I'm looking at the data tag going, oh wait, this draws rated 9.1 amps. The silhouette's not even 1 amp higher. So I guess that kind of goes out the window, but nonetheless, I still need a dedicated circuit. I don't don't know. Do I use this? Because I know there's no rust inside it. Like, come on, take a look at that. It's clean in that sucker. But the Silhouette's also cool because no one else is using one. It's trying. It's cool. Fortunately, somehow the knob's gone, which I'm sure my boy can hook me up, which would be superb. Yeah, see, it's sweating down here. But it's such a huge load. It's such a little baby. Now, unfortunately, I don't have any 220 volt outlets in this garage. I mean, yeah, I have a panel I can wire one into. I just don't have one. We'll see if I get around to dragging it home to start it, which, granted, take a peek in there. Man, is it clean. I, I did carry this damn thing out of the basement, and it was not pretty, let me tell you. Hopefully you got a good shot of it, because there's not a lot of room to move around in here. Oh yeah, it's just putting the heat out. What's funny is I have one of these that has an AJ in it. I'll have to go through pictures and look. I know David Stevens. I'm pretty sure that somehow the AJ is more energy efficient than one with the AE, which, yeah. Guess as good as mine. So, alright. It has a charge. I don't doubt it being full because it's actually cooling really good, but it has such a huge load. It's not gonna, perform. Now, sure, if this was a 24,000 BT, I would expect better just because it has some horsepower behind it. So, yeah, it's still working with that. He's got to have to reattach these to the grill, but let's see, does it kick? Oh, yeah. Good. So, all right. Sorry if it was a bit of a rambling video, just a quickie. See